Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south central Arizona until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 7:46 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Piesta Peak Park, or near Phoenix, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Phoenix, Mesa, Scottsdale, Tempe, Paradise Valley, Mesa Riverview Mall, Tempe Marketplace, Poplico Park, Piesta Peak Park, Arizona Mills Mall, Downtown Mesa, South Phoenix, Arizona State Fairgrounds, South Mountain Park, and Downtown Phoenix. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 10 between mile markers 143 and 159. Arizona Interstate 17 between mile markers 195 and 207. Arizona Route 51 between mile markers 1 and 10. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona,